domiciled, the center of operation to be the station. These stations are very far away from where the crime takes place. And the DPP representative Dorcas has said, well, is law and order. The order part of it is not there anymore. Because what would happen, the police from the station only turn up when somebody is dead, when there is a robbery, when there is a break-in, when there is burglary, they come and dust, Nini, they carry the man who has died and go away. And maybe they are 40 kilometers away, 50. When the administrators had APs attached to them, very few things would ever reach the station level. In the ongoing, the reforms that are before Justice Maraga, I personally made some recommendations around that area. I hope they'll be considered. That in my thinking, in my naivety, I think it would help to give our GAO officers some enforcement capacity around that area in the grassroots. And a lot of crime will never happen because deterrent measures are much better than apprehending offenders.